Hey there, engineers! Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Mechanical completion checks before site acceptance tests or SATs. Trust me, this is one step you don't want to skip. First off, let's talk about mechanical completion ensures every nut, bolt, and pipe is exactly where it should be, according to your design specs. Imagine finding out that a valve is installed incorrectly during SAT. That's a costly delay you can avoid by catching errors early with an MC check. Safety is next on the list. Mechanical completion checks are your first line of defense against potential safety hazards. From misaligned components to loose bolts, identifying these issues before SAT is critical. It's about protecting your team and your equipment. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Skipping the MC check can lead to finding mechanical issues during your SAT. This means rework, delays, and potentially a failed SAT. By ensuring all basic mechanical work is finished beforehand, you minimize risks and keep projects on time and within budget. Confirming readiness for testing is another key point. Before you dive into the operational tests of SAT, you need to be sure everything is set up correctly. Mechanical completion ensures all components are in place, temporary structures are removed, and the system is clean and leak-free. This is your green light to proceed with confidence. Ensuring compliance with specifications is also essential. MC checks verify that your project meets all contractual and design specs. This means all parts, materials, and assemblies conform to required codes and standards. You're essentially ticking off a checklist of compliance before moving forward. Lastly, for a smoother SAT execution, you need mechanical completion. SATs focus on operational functionality and performance. If mechanical issues pop up during SAT, it can derail the entire process. By resolving these issues beforehand, you ensure a smoother and more successful testing phase. So, what are the key activities in mechanical completion? They include physical inspections of components, verifying mechanical alignments, conducting leak tests, completing punch lists for minor defects, and documenting all activities. This thorough process ensures everything is in tip-top shape before SAT. In summary, mechanical completion checks are your gatekeepers. They ensure that your installation is correct, safe, and compliant before moving into the operational testing of SAT. Don't overlook this critical step. Happy engineering and keep those projects running smoothly. Catch you next time.